Okay everyone, so here we are on the inside. This is the web page. So there's information here that tells you about what we're doing, quilting in the hoop. We also have an edge club for those that have the artistic edge. If you were interested in joining that, you could join that too. So once you've logged in, it will come up here and show you. It will have your name there once you've logged in, and you just simply click on the members area to go through to the other side. Okay, so here we are. Now when we look here, each month you get access to new content, new information. So in month 1 there's about 10 embroidery quilting designs available. There's also the free mug rug videos here. This runs through showing you and explaining about your machine, whether you've got the 11, 12 or 15. Then we talk about stabilizers, we do some applique. So every month then there's something different. We've got the cording foot, and we do some fun projects using feet, some software. The Heart's Desire, this was a quilt that I designed. Circular attachment, different feet, how to use the ruffler. So we use the feet in conjunction with the project so that I just feel it's much easier to learn if you have a project to work on at the same time. So that's it from me for now. I look forward to seeing you on the other side. Bye for now.